Section 1.2, algebraic fractions. We're going to practice multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting fractions. So the first section, we're just going to remind ourselves how to multiply two fractions. The book suggests that rather than multiplying them straight away, recognize that you will have common factors. As long as there is a multiplication, you can do the cancelling down. Well, I know from experience, a lot of people just multiply it out first and then cancel down. So it's up to you. You can perfectly put it together as one fraction and cancel down. It's 1/3. This one here, you could divide by a. So a is on the top, a on the bottom, cancel, and you'll have 1 times c, which is c, and b times 1, which is b. There's nothing wrong with writing as ac over ba and then cancelling it down, especially as normally in those questions you'll get 1 mark for putting together your fraction into a fraction over 1 denominator. So if you make a mistake before you do that and give up, then you are losing that method mark. So over here you could see as soon as you've got the linear expression out surrounded with brackets, so replace the denominator of the second fraction by factorized version. So you need to factorize it. And now you can see that there is x plus 1 in the top of the fraction and in the bottom of the fraction. So you've got 1 times 3, which is 3. And you've got 2 times x minus 1 in the denominator. In the example 6, we are going to go through dividing. So it's a over b divided by a over c. So to divide by a fraction means to multiply it by its reciprocal. So multiply by the second fraction flipped. So you've got a and a cancelled, and you've got 1 times c and 1 times b in the denominator. So doing the same here, just once you start doing it, I write to surround the brackets, the linear expressions with brackets. So you're going to change this fraction into the fractions flipped, but factorize it as soon as you can. So you can bring it to the common denominator straight away. This is going to be x minus 4 and x plus 4. In the denominator, I've got x plus 4, because remember the numerators multiplied by each other, and this is 3 times x plus 2. So the common factors can be cancelled. There's 1 here, x plus 4, 1, 1. So you've got 1 times x minus 4, which is x minus 4 over 3. So that takes us to the exercise 1b. There you go. Enjoy.